My name is Alice. I am 32 years old. I had a good husband and two wonderful children. My life was normal. My husband loved me. We were a happy family. Everything seemed perfect. But one day, everything changed. He worked hard every day. He had a good job and a nice house. I feel safe with him. We got married when I finished school. We had a big wedding. My dress was white, and John wore a black suit. Everyone was happy. After a few years, we had two children, a boy and a girl. Our son's name is Joseph. He is 10 years old. Our daughter's name is Cynthia. She is 8 years old.
They are my joy and my life.
One day, John said he did not feel well. "It's just my heart," he said. "I am fine." But he was not fine. We had a big dinner with friends to celebrate a new business deal. John smiled and laughed, but then he looked tired. His face turned red. "I feel hot," he said. Later that night, John's heart stopped. I called for help, but it was too late. He was gone. My husband was dead. My heart broke. Tears filled my eyes. My chest hurt. My children cried. I cried. I cried so hard that my whole body hurt. I cried until my head hurt, until I had no more tears left. My heart felt too heavy. Then I sat in the dark, alone. Next morning, I woke up and forget for a second. I reached for John's side of bed. It was empty. And then I remembered. Pain hit me again. I get up and walked around the house. His smell was gone. Everywhere I looked, I saw him, but he wasn't there. I was lost without John. For months, I stayed in bed. "Mom, please don't leave us too," our daughter Cynthia said one day. Her words give me strength. I had to be strong for my children. I started working hard. I took care of the family business. I took care of my children, but my heart was empty. Every time I closed my eyes, I saw him. People told me, "You will be okay." But I did not believe them. I was broken. One day, I found a letter from John. He wrote it before he passed away. In the letter, he said, "Alice, you are strong. Don't let life take your smile. Live fully for yourself and our kids." His words stayed in my heart. I wanted to live again, for my children and for myself. 5 years passed. I stayed away from men. I told myself I would never love again. But life had a surprise for me. I joined a hobby group to learn baking. I met a nice woman named Emily. She had a brother named Andrew. Andrew was tall and strong. He had blue eyes and a kind smile. He was very handsome. When I learned that Andrew was 28, I felt sad. He is younger than me, I thought. He will not like me. But Andrew liked me. He said, "Alice, you are beautiful." I felt shy, but I smiled. Andrew and I started talk more. He was funny and sweet. One evening, he invited me for coffee. We talked for hours. He told me about his life. I told him about John and my children. He listened carefully. "I know it is hard for you," he said, "but I want to be there for you." I was afraid. What will people think? I asked myself. What about my children? What about John? Andrew was a patient. He did not rush me. We spent time together. He helped me with my work. He played with my children. Joseph and Cynthia liked Andrew. Mom, he is fun, Joseph said. Andrew made me feel alive again. For the first time in years, I felt happy. After a year, Andrew said, Alice, I love you. I want to marry you. I want to live my life with you. Let's live together. I felt nervous. I cannot forget John, I said. I am not asking you to forget him, Andrew said. I just want to be part of your life. I thought about John. He wanted me to be strong. He wanted me to be happy. One day, I told my children that Andrew wants to marry me. He wants to move in with us. They smiled. That's great, Mom, Cynthia said. We got married a year later. It was a very small event. I moved to a new house. It was big enough for all of us. Andrew brought love and laughter into our home. Now I know that life can change. It can be hard, but it can also be beautiful. John will always be in my heart, but I also have place in my heart for Andrew. God. I never thought I could feel happiness again, but now I see hope. My children are my biggest joy. They remind me of John's love and strength every day. They are the reason I found the courage to start over. Andrew has also become a part of our lives. He is kind to Cynthia and Joseph, and they like him very much. He doesn't try to replace John, but he brings new happiness to our home. With him, I have to laugh again. He teaches me. It's okay to fall in love again after loss. I will always treasure my memories with John. He will forever be in my heart. But life is about moving forward, step by step. I feel like I am living again, and I know John would want this for me and our children.